I'm gonna do a quick video on how I curl my hair really fast with the Big Barrel. It's a 2-inch curling iron. The one I have is just the Hot Tools one, but you can use any 2-inch. Quick and easy, watch this. So I do legit 4 sections. I brush it out. I start at the top and I kind of hold it there. This area, the way it's towards the front of the face, I kind of drag it to give it that 70s feel. And so that it kind of elongates the curl. The bottom, I just wrap around. And then I hold that, I kind of curl it back. Just for like 30 seconds. I let go. Now I do the back. And that I don't have to do as like perfectly as the front one. And then I wrap the bottom around. Now this side, same thing. I split it exactly in half. Hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds and then you can start dragging it. And then wrap that around. Now hold that for like 30 seconds. And now the back. Cool, so now they look like this and I just pull them out. This is when I'm in a hurry and I just want my hair to be refreshed. And that pulling of it gives it this wider look, but that's it. I love it. This is one of my favorite like go-tos. It's easy and legit takes me not even 10 minutes. And my hair's big